TOPLD-Xinxiang New Leader Machinery Manufacturing Company Limited is the professional manufacturer for transfer cards with more than 17 years of production experience. Our company located in Xinjiang, China, and covered an area of 30,000 square meters. We have a professional and experienced technical team and a dedicated design and development department, with 20 senior engineers, 25 engineers, technicians, more than 30. The company has obtained CE, ISO 9001, ISO, SGS certification and more than 10 national patent certificates. Our products cover rail transfer cart, steerable transfer cart, interbay transfer cart, tiled transfer cart, turntable transfer cart, lifting platform transfer cart pods, and industrial winch. We can undertake a variety of non-standard, conventional transfer cart designs. Products meet the JBT 612792 mechanical industry standards, with the advantages of compact structure, beautiful appearance, accurate positioning, simple operation, turning smooth, strong climbing ability, long traveling distance, low noise, easy maintenance. Our transfer carts are suitable for transportation in various environments and are widely used in these fields of the metallurgy industry, steel industry, painting industry, petroleum industry, shipyard, transformer plant, tunnel construction, etc. Cooperation with many famous enterprises and military enterprises such as Lamprau, Diamond Shipyard, SAD Alisa Group, HSL Constructor, Alstom, Fliao, Tenaris, etc. Our products have been exported to more than 50 countries and regions, such as Russia, America, Canada, Spain, Vietnam, Malaysia, Singapore, Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia, Pakistan, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, etc.